Hello, in this video I'm gonna do a zoom test on iPhone 16 Pro. Let's do a camera zoom test. So I'm gonna open the camera, and now I'm gonna put this plant away from me and take two photos. The one it's gonna be zoomed in as close as I can, and the second one is gonna be zoomed out as far as I can. So let's first zoom out and take the picture. Then I'm gonna zoom in 25 times because that's the maximum zoom in iPhone 16 Pro. And now we can compare these photos. They were taken from the same distance, so it will show you the difference. This is the far photo, and this is the close photo. So that's the difference between these two. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.